Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you the burns and blisters wheel we have by Benai, and that is why I have created this burn wound on my skin. Well, if you want to know more about the burns and blisters wheel by Benai, the colors that are in the wheel or how you can best work with them, please keep watching because I will explain it step by step in the coming video. I quickly mixed up some sculpt gel I have by Mold Life, because what better way to show off the burns and blisters wheel by Benai than to put some Freddy Krueger like burns on the skin. I'm just gonna work with the sculpt gel and not really explain a lot about it, but if you want to know more on sculpt gel, I have a very elaborate video on the product which I will link to in the description box down below. So if you want more about sculpt gel, please check out that video. I put a bit of my foundation on a mixing palette and I tint it down a bit with alcohol to make it easier to get the color over the sculpt gel. I'm doing this with my own foundation now because I want to use the wheel by Benai. Would I use alcohol activated makeup to create these burn wounds, I would definitely use alcohol activated makeup for this step as well. Matching my skin tone, it's easiest to do this with my foundation at this point. And I tint it down with some alcohol to make it easier to get in all the uneven bits of the sculpt gel, otherwise it would probably look very patchy. And now it's kind of evenly colored onto the wheel. As always, I'm gonna work from light to dark with these colors. So this will be the first one. It is a pinkish color and I will use it to get an irritated look on all of the burned parts of the skin. I am mixing the paint with a bit of alcohol to make it a bit thinner. That makes it easier to apply to the skin. That is a very nice and subtle irritation, as you can see, but we're gonna build on this. So the next color is the bright red one. It is this color, and I'm also going to mix this one with some alcohol to get it into a more fluid state than as a cream. The darker red I want to concentrate in the holes I just created with the sculpt gel. Onto the purple color that is in the burns and blister wheel. Time for the last color in that burns and blister wheel. And you might think the color in that wheel is black, but it isn't. It is a very dark blue color that is perfect to create the depth in the burn wounds that we need. And with that blue purple color, I have used all the colors that are in the Burns and Blister wheel by Ben-Nye, and that completes my burn wound. I wanted to show you how easy it is to create a burn wound with just 4 colors of grease paint in this wonderful little wheel by Ben-Nye. Well, I hope you enjoyed me showing you the wheel and how the colors look on the skin. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned on all the videos we upload.